Hello, my name is Hasnain and I'm a professional baker from Chennai. Like specialty breads, specialty desserts, whatever you like, I know how to make it. But my favorite dish would be breads. Watch my story on Connect Woods. So I was born and brought up here in Chennai, and I've been here in Chennai all my life. And I did my schooling in St. Michael's Academy, and then I did like BBA for a year after school, but I never really liked that course, and I was more into music at that time. So I had a lot of friends and we formed bands together. We used to play heavy metal music all around Chennai. That wasn't very popular around then, but we were one of the first people to get into that scene and make that popular. And then after that I got more interested in music, so I took a course in Swarnabhumi Academy of Music, and after pursuing a musical career for a couple of years, I slowly started getting interested in cooking and stuff like that. And I started getting more and more interested in baking. More than cooking, I was more into baking. I started off making all sorts of cookies and brownies and stuff like that, but I wanted to make more things. I wanted to get perfect whatever I'm doing. So again I took a course in baking, and I did this course in a place called Food Consulate. So once I got done with the course, I immediately realized that I want to pursue this as a career. So in about 2019, I did my course, like I said before, in baking and patisserie training. So once I got done with that, by around July, I started my company Bakestagrams, and I started with a couple of niche products like specialty breads, specialty desserts, and as I started getting more popular, I started expanding my repertoire. Slowly, steadily, I've started increasing my products as much as I can, and I think the main reason why I even started this baking course is because I told my wife that I'm very interested in baking, and she was like, why don't you try searching for a course? And that's how I even started the course. And then after the course was over, I was like, okay, now how do we do this, make this into a business? Because I'm more of a creative type of person. I'm not a very enterprising type of person. So all those things, everything you see, the marketing aspect of it, the branding, everything, all that my wife has taken care of. So my job is just to bake mainly. So slowly and steadily, we both have been working together for the past almost 2 years now, and we're slowly making a presence now in the Chennai home baker market, where we make dishes which are generally not available elsewhere. My favorite thing to bake, number one thing to bake, is bread. Now it can be any type of bread. It can be Italian style bread, it can be French bread, it can be Arabic breads, it can be Indian breads, whatever it is. But that I'm really passionate about bread, because I don't know, one day randomly I just started learning how to make bread. That's the reason why I even wanted to become a baker, because I wanted to learn how to bake bread. Generally people want to learn baking, they want to learn desserts and so on, but for me bread was always the main thing, and I want to be mostly known as a really good bread baker. And apart from that, yes, I do make a lot of different desserts like brownies, cookies, and so on. Like whatever you like, I know how to make it. But my favorite dish would be breads. So today I'm going to be showing some of my favorite dishes to bake, as well as my most the dishes which my customers enjoy the most. So for example, focaccia bread, and this bread is a very flavorful bread. It comes from Italy, and it has sun-dried tomatoes incorporated into the dough. It has olives, it has a lot of olive oil in it, it has rosemary, it has garlic, it has a lot of salt in it. You can make sandwiches with it, you can make breadsticks with it, you can do all sorts of things with it. Now the second bread which I'm going to be showing you today is the brioche. Now the brioche comes from France. It's a very rich bread, it's very buttery, it has a lot of egg and sugar in it. It's a very soft, fluffy bread. It's like a hybrid between a bread and a cake almost. Another bread which I'm going to be showing you today is a corn bread, which is it's a very wholesome bread which has a lot of which is made with corn flour and is made with fresh corn inside. It has jalapenos in it. It's got a bit of everything. It's nice and sweet and spicy. I'm going to be showing you my cheesecake brownies, which I think are one of my most favorite things to bake, as well as all my customers really love these cheesecake brownies because it's the best of both worlds. It's like having a cheesecake and a fudgy brownie at the same time. Another very big product of mine which is doing really well is chocolate chip cookies, and I bake them and I sprinkle them with a lot of salt, so you get a really nice sweet and salty type of flavor from these cookies. And now we have come up with granola bars as well, 3 different types. We have peanut butter granolas, we have coconut and cinnamon granolas, we have chocolate granolas, and our granola bars, we are actually now going to be selling them in many different gourmet stores all around Chennai. The wheels are moving on that, and very soon it will be available in most outlets close to you. First of all, thank you very much for coming here, and I hope you enjoyed watching everything I do and everything I make, and I hope I can inspire somebody to pick up some pan or pot and bake something. I mean, that would be very nice. And yeah, I mean, thank you guys very much for coming and allowing me to share my passion with you guys. And if you guys ever want to try anything out from stuff which I make, you can give me a follow on Facebook or Instagram at Bakestagrams. So thank you again, thank you very much, and see you sometime soon.